At Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today we're going to talk about one of our best all-rounders, the luxury laminate flooring range. The luxury range is available in 6 crisp natural finishes, ranging from the light and airy white oak to the earthy San Marino oak. The luxury range boasts a massive AC5 rating and comes with a 25-year residential warranty, meaning guaranteed peace of mind. It's fully compatible with underfloor heating, and featuring the Unilin fitting system, it can be fitted without any hassle. The long joint is engaged at an angle, ensuring the short joint is brought as close to the adjoining board as possible. Don't worry, the white strip is part of the fitting system. Lower and watch as the white strip flexes and engages with the adjoining board. Available in 6 gorgeous decors, class-leading protection, and a fitting system that's quick and easy to use, the luxury flooring range really is one of our best all-rounders. Order your free samples today or use our room visualizer so that you can see our floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.